Oh, you have the hiccups. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
How about this? What do you use to grab?
Are you a happy boy? Yeah? Are you a happy boy? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you use to grab a fish? No. What do you use to grab a fish?
Hiccup. You got the hiccups.